Okay, so I got the 16 volt lithium ion battery, the 16 volt. First, you're going to pop this up, pull it over like that, and then pop it out. So that's how you disconnect it. Okay, so first we got to take the seat off. You're gonna get about right here. You can kind of feel a connector thing in there, and you're just gonna pull up. I already disconnected the other one, but the two white things are what you're gonna be pulling up on. And then there's a connector down here on the driver's side. Those two white connectors, you're gonna disconnect those, and the seat will come right out. So after you get the seat off, we're just gonna disconnect this right here. You're gonna be pushing on this tab, push this tab down, and then just pop it off. So that's how you disconnect that connector. Okay, after we get the seat off, we're gonna need a Torx T30 for these 4. And then we're gonna need a 15 millimeter for these 6. And then a 15 millimeter with a wobbly or an extension for these 2 to connect the seat belts. Right there. And that'll enable us to remove these black pieces and get to the actual cover. And that's when we'll be using this special tool for the 5-point inverse torque, and I will link that in the description for you guys because it's kind of hard to find. Okay, now we have this E11. It's a 6-point star. We're going to remove these 2 and this one with this. So let's remove those, and then we can get onto these ones right here, and then the whole top. So now after we got all of these ones out, we're going to use this special inverse star tool to get all of these ones all the way around. They don't come all the way out, but so that way you don't have to actually remove them, but they'll unscrew and then they'll just kind of hang there. So you're going to remove all of those, and then 2 of those right there on that orange one. So after you get that plate off, this is what you're looking at. You want to make sure you unplug the battery, the 12 volt battery up front, or the 16 volt. And then right there is your Pyro fuse. And you're going to remove it and replace it. Okay, so this is a 14 millimeter. This is your Pyro fuse. And we're going to replace it with this one right here. Okay, we're going to set it in. Make sure this is up here in the front. Put the bolts back in.